Good morning. Continuing with the topic coordinate geometry. For the second exercise, today we will study how to draw the graph of linear equation in two variable. So, a linear equation in two variable represents a straight line. We have already studied linear equation in two variable. We can solve them simultaneously. Today we will study how we can do it on graph. Suppose we are given with a question, draw the graph of 2x plus y is equals to 1. So to solve this, we will make y as a subject. Y is equals to minus 2x plus 1. Now we will make one table x, y. On a random basis, we will put the value of x to get the value of y. Do remember, while putting the values of x, we will take those values which we can mark it easily on the graph. So, let we take x is equals to 0. If we take x is equals to 0, on putting in the equation y is equals to minus 2x plus 1, so minus 2 into 0 will be 0 plus 1 will be 1. So we will get y is equals to 1. Then if we put x is equals to 1, on putting x is equals to 1, so minus 2 into 1 will be minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. Similarly, we can take one more value. Let it take minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2 will be plus 2. Then plus 1 will be 3. So in this way, we have to find out three values. Now, after getting these three values, we get the coordinates 0, 1. It is quite light. 0, 1. 1 comma minus 1 and minus 1 comma 3. We will get this coordinate. As we have already studied in the first exercise, how can we plot this point or coordinates on the graph paper? So we will make x-axis and y-axis on the graph. Plot these points on the graph paper. Here it is marked. We can see 0, 1, 1, minus 1 and minus 1, 3. While plotting, we have to write the coordinates. Join these coordinates using a scale. Do remember, as the equation represents a straight line, so these coordinates should come in a single straight line. Suppose they are not coming, it means you have to check your calculation. You have done something wrong. So they must come on a straight line. Join these with a straight line. Mark the arrows after extending the line on both the sides. And we have to write the equation of the line. The equation of the line was 2x plus y is equals to 1. We have to write that equation on the line. Taking one more example, suppose we have to draw the graph of 3x minus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. So starting with, we will make y as a subject. It means we will take y on one side and rest of the terms on the other side. So 3x minus 2y minus 2. 3x minus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. 3x minus 2 is equals to 2y. So y will be equals to 3x minus 2 whole upon 2. We will make the table. Put the value of x. Again, do remember, we will take those values which can be marked easily on the graph, taking x is equals to 0. So 3 into 0, 0, minus 2 whole upon 2, minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1. If we take 2, so 3 into 2, 6, minus 2, 4, upon 2, we will get 2. If we mark 4, so 3 into 4, 12, minus 2, 10, 10 upon 2, 5. Now we have got the coordinates 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma 2 and 10 comma 5. We can plot these points on the graph, join them. See here, it is 4 comma 5, 2 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 1. We have plotted these points on the graph, join them with a straight line, extend it on both the sides, write the equation 3x minus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. It should be, as we are doing on the graph, it should be neat and clean work with a pointed pencil. Thank you.